The text provided is about friction and its definitions, types, factors influencing the phenomenon, and its various applications in daily life. Point 1. Defining friction. Friction is the resistance that an object or surface encounters as it moves over another. It acts simultaneously in the opposite direction of movement. 2. Classification of friction. Static friction. It occurs in situations where an object does not start moving. The force acting on it is required to overcome this friction and enable movement. Kinetic dynamic friction. This type of friction is seen in moving objects. It generally has less intensity than static friction. Rolling friction. This type of friction is encountered when an object, like a wheel, rolls on a surface. It is generally less intense than the other two types of friction. 3. Factors influencing friction. Surface texture. Rough surfaces generally cause more friction than smooth surfaces. Weight of the object. When an object is heavier, it brings more pressure against the surface, increasing the friction. Material type. Various materials have unique friction characteristics. For example, rubber on concrete causes more friction than ice on steel. 4. Real-life examples. Walking. The friction between the shoe and ground is responsible for allowing you to walk without slipping. Cars. Tires gripping the road help in stopping and turning through friction. 5. Applications of friction. Friction is a significant factor in a variety of everyday activities, such as writing, driving a car, or even holding objects. However, when friction is abused, it can lead to excessive wear and tear on machines. Understanding the concept of friction is crucial for exploring the laws of physics and how forces interact in the real world. This text provides a comprehensive introduction to the subject, which might be helpful for readers interested in learning more about this fascinating topic.